everybody, I'm Jala. Welcome to my channel. I used to speak English badly, but now I am used to speaking it well. Do you think these two structures are similar? Let's learn about it. If I say I am used to playing this game, it means it isn't strange or new for me to play this game. I've been playing this game for some time. He's used to working for 12 hours a day. It means it isn't difficult or new for him. He has been working so many hours for a long time. There's no problem if he works 12 hours a day. He got accustomed to it. As you know, the verb to be has three forms for the present tense. Am, is, are. I am used to doing. You are used to doing. She is used to doing. And so on. For the past, it has two forms, was and were. I was used to doing. She was used to doing. You were used to doing. We were used to doing. They were used to doing. In negative, we say, I was not used to doing. She was not used to doing. We were not used to doing. In question, we say, was I used to doing? Were you used to doing? In this structure, I am used to doing, to is a preposition, and after to, we use verb ing or a noun. Don't say, I am used to play. We should say, I am used to playing. After to, we can also use a noun. For example, though the work is too difficult, I am used to it. I am used to that work. We can also use I got used to doing instead of I was used to doing. For example, my sister got used to speaking English fast. It means it's not a problem for her. She got accustomed to it. Don't confuse I am used to doing and I used to do. They are different in structures and meanings. If I say I used to speak English badly, it means I usually spoke it badly in the past. It doesn't continue any longer. It's not true for now. You can use this structure only for the past, not for the present tense. I used to live in a small town last year, but now I live in a big city. We say I used to live, you used to live, she used to live. In negative, we use didn't. I didn't used to live. You didn't used to live. She didn't used to live. In question, we use a did. Did I used to live? Did you used to live? Did she used to live? As you see, we remove d in negative and question. The pronunciation used to and used to is the same. When we say I used to do something, here to is an infinitive. We don't say I used to playing, we say I used to play. So, as you see, the structures I am used to doing and I used to do are different not only in meanings but also in structures. When we say I am used to doing something, we mean we got accustomed to it. It's not difficult, new for us. When we say I used to do something, we mean we did something in the past, but it doesn't continue any longer. I have a question for you. What did you used to do regularly in the past which doesn't continue any longer? Write your answers using this structure in the comments. Take care!